Wrong way, Terry.
Take I-15 south to Hurricane. Do it the easy way.
Wrong
But
way. Wrong way, Terry.
You live and learn.
Yeah, well, I asked you.
Well, you know.
You always say that.
care.
I'm okay. I know where to go. Okay.
Yeah. Wrong way, Terry.
Wrong way.
Wrong way, Terry Barely. Okay, well, as long as I have my sweetheart with me.
Oh yeah. Thank you,
doesn't
God.
make
That I'm
much
very good.
difference.
I'm very good at directions.
Yes, you are.
Oh, we've proven that even in Ireland.
Absolutely.
Oh, Ireland, Canada,
Yeah.
Lake Tahoe. Imagine that going to Lake Tahoe, we ended up in Ely.
Yes, we did.
Oh my golly. And you're nervous.
Nervous as a kitten. Nervous as a kitten.
Thank you, dear subscribers. I get 529 since yesterday.
That's amazing.
We're just having fun. We're non-revenue people, and we're just showing how we live with the blessings of God Almighty, one day at a time. Our simple joys. I'm not a person who likes to tell you what to do, to do what or just enjoying the flow of life. And we didn't realize that we have 529 subscribers, so hopefully nobody will quit. Because I know once in a while, on and off, they subscribe and then they quit. We can offer only our simple joys in life, and we appreciate that. As long as we're touching lives in a simple way. We're not expert people.
Holy moly.
Holy moly! Look at you! Thank you for the moments. Look at that. I don't know. I love mountains.
That's climbing. People climbing.
Ah, look at this clouds. It's like a little ducky.